3 shots were fired, 1 missed.
Notice how nonchalant his tone of voice is as he admits to murder.
This guy even has the JCS like trademark voice every time he pauses, or not voice, the sound. You know what I mean?
The sound effect.
Yeah, he's even doing the. I usually resort to doing it with my mouth whenever I'm doing like other crime videos. I just go. This is called the, being honest with a cop technique. It's very effective. If you're trying to go to jail.
Really?
But
you make sound effect?
I do the sound effect with my mouth, like. It's pretty good. You can admit it. You can admit that you were fooled. You thought.